So I discussed what I'm about to share with you with an AI specialist on LinkedIn, and he said this could potentially change the life of anyone who could actualize this. And it would really take a genius to actualize it if it's a person or if it is one person that decides to take on this task. But if it's a group of people, it could be easily actualized. So before I share what I want to share with you in this video, let me tell you why I decided to do this video in the first place. So I woke up around 3 a.m. on a Saturday morning and decided to go on YouTube to just check videos on YouTube. And I saw a particular content creator that was subscribed to complaining that he said that a subscriber sent him some screenshots of someone using his image to propagate a scam. And basically what they were doing is that they were promoting two applications that were malicious applications on Google Play Store and that were set to scam people. So he was trying to let people know that this is not him, that he was not the one using, he was not the one that was doing this. So at this point, I began to wonder and ask myself, could someone be using my picture to scam people, or could someone be using my image to scam people? And then it occurred to me that I'm not that popular, so I don't think that would be possible. But I mean, no one is sure. So I've seen people's images or pictures used for catfishing. For example, some people use, so many of these scammers use different images of Americans or those in the UK or something. They just use different people's images to scam other people. Either they are acting as a military personnel or someone from the Navy or something. And the thing is that they are using actual people's images to run these scams, which means they are affecting the images of those people that they are using their identities. So I felt like, what can be done to prevent this from happening? Is there a way, is there something that could be done that if a scammer or if someone uses your profile picture, or if someone is using your picture to create a social media account and maybe uploads it as a display picture, that you will get notified immediately and then you can take steps or certain steps towards reporting that particular social media account? Or is there a way you can always research to make sure that the person you're speaking to is the right person? I know so many people will say something about you can use reverse image search, but I've used these tools in a lot of times, and reverse image search does not really work effectively. It does not get me what I want, or it does not get me what I envisage in terms of what this tool is going to achieve. Because I don't know if you've ever wondered, could someone be using your image to scam people, especially when you are very popular, especially when you are someone that is known, maybe with a YouTube, or you're an influencer of some sort? Do you think people would be using your image to scam people? And how would you know? Would you actually know if someone is creating a fake advertisement with your picture and all? And what can be done to stop it? That is where I need an AI specialist, or maybe a programmer, or maybe a coder, or an app developer, whatever it is. Just hear what I need and let me know in the comment section your recommendations, your opinions, or what you think can solve this particular problem. If you also feel like there's something that is in existence that can solve this particular problem, let me know, but I highly doubt. So basically what the AI tool is supposed to do is, or what the AI bot is supposed to do, is that once an advertisement is posted online, either on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, on any platform, it sees the image that is used, and if it's related to your image, or if it looks like you must have registered on the platform or something. I don't know how it's supposed to be actualized. Once it notices that your image is being used, it then notifies you immediately, and then you can go ahead to check out that particular advertisement and then report it if the person is impersonating you, or if that particular advertisement is trying to impersonate you or trying to scam people using your identity. The second thing I would love this AI tool to do is that if there is a scammer or someone that uses your image on to create a new social media account, there are lots of things like that. The moment someone is impersonating you using your image or your pictures that they got from Instagram or these other platforms, the application or the AI would notify you immediately that someone just opened an account and the person is using your image. So it's really very technical, because what this thing means is that this particular bot or this particular AI will crawl the entire internet. It will crawl the social media platforms. It will crawl Twitter and check for all the images used on Twitter. It will crawl Instagram and check for all the images used on Twitter, to make sure that none of them are using your image or your name, depending on how you set it or what you're looking for. So I feel if this is actualized or if this is implemented, it will first of all reduce the number of scams that are out there, such as catfishing and all these other type of scams. Also, it will reduce the amount of impersonation that happens online on social media, and also identity theft. It reduces that a lot. And then I think in general it just improves cyber security or general cyber security. So I like I said before, this is something that is really going to be difficult to do. If not, YouTube would have done it, Facebook would have done it to reduce the amount of scams and everything going on their platform. But like I said, it's difficult. But if you feel like there's a tool or there's something that is in existence that is remotely related to what I'm talking about, please let me know, because I've made research so far and I don't think I've not seen anything that is this in-depth or that can do what I'm talking about. So my name is Emmanuel. For those that are new in this channel, I teach online safety, digital safety, and expose recent online scams and tricks used by scammers and all these malicious actors. So that's what I do here on this channel. And if you're new here, you're welcome to subscribe. Don't forget to leave a like on this video. So aside all those other things I just mentioned, I make sure I explain my videos in a way that a 13-year-old that is just getting a new phone would understand. Someone that's never touched a phone in his life needs to know what mobile security is, needs to know what cyber safety and cyber security is. So I try to reach out to those type of audience. And also, even if the person is as old as 65 and is using a device, either a laptop to chat or something, I expose certain tricks that scammers use, such as catfishing and all these things, so that they are also aware. So this channel is just for everyone, and I break down cybersecurity and create awareness. And so I think you should consider subscribing just to have the knowledge, and also share your opinion in case you're someone who is really enlightened in this aspect. So thank you for watching this video. In this video, which you can see on your screen very soon, I tried to scam some individuals impersonating a popular YouTuber, that is Pleasant Green. If you've not watched that video, you can go ahead and watch it. It will really give you a clear understanding on why I need this particular AI tool to work, because if it works, it's going to really become a game changer. And also for subscribers and those and non-subscribers, I've also dropped a new merch, as you can see, with the SC CyberSafe logo. I don't know if it's clear. And then the let me move back a bit. The t-shirts, I don't just click, I inspect. So the new merch is out, and there are different other designs which you can also see on my channel store. If you're interested, go ahead and make your order right now. It's just for creating awareness. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.